bought 3 of the same pair of shoes, but in different colors. And here goes Josiah hijacking mommy's video. Look at these blinged out glass slipper booties. Hi you guys, I'm Dangerusdiva and thanks so much for tuning into this video. Today is Happy Fingers Friday. Who out there has happy fingers? I love to shop online, so that is why I have a Happy Fingers Friday segment for all you happy fingers out there. So let's just get right into it. Happy Fingers is a segment where I share all of the deets of the items that I've purchased throughout the week on the World Wide Web. So let's just get right into this video. Oh, and don't forget to click subscribe if you are enjoying my content. If you've been back 2 times or 3 times, or it's your first time and you enjoyed the video, click subscribe, leave me a comment so we can engage and we can get to know each other. All right, let's get into these items. So first things first, ego. Not my ego. I know I got a big ego, but there's a company named Ego. I found them online. They're located in the UK. They ship to the States if you live in the States, and it came in this packaging. Shipping was free if you reach the threshold of I think $50 or $75. That was easy to make. So I had Happy Fingers, and I bought 3 of the same pair of shoes, but in different colors. And here goes Josiah hijacking mommy's video. Yes, the 3 marker challenge. Josiah is showing you his cool Paw Patrol video, right? Isn't that cool? Yeah. Very nice. Now, can mommy get back to her scheduled video, please? Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, so again, I purchased 3 pairs of these, but look at these shoes. I love kitten heels. You got to love a good kitten heel. Isn't this shoe very nice? I love the leaf detail inside, and I love the color blue that this is. This will be very good for a lot of spring outfits, and so I picked it up in about 2 other colors. Let's show you. Okay, this box is empty because I actually already wore these shoes and I don't remember where I put them. That's not good. They were yellow, but I will find them before the end of this video. Look at this. I told you I got every color, guys. I got happy and I was like, these are perfect. Oh my gosh, they're like jelly shoes. The inside of this shoe is just black. I'm not a pink girl, but you know, summer and spring will have me wearing all kinds of bright colors because I love bright colors. Now, this next pair that's not like the kitten heels are the bomb. I purchased shoes on their website because of this pair. Let's look at these. Are you guys ready? Because these shoes are amazing and affordable. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. In 3, 2, 1. Look at these blinged out glass slipper booties, okay? Tell me who you know that has a glass slipper booty. This shoe is amazing on, and it just sparkles so bright. I mean, super bright. Iridescent diamonds galore. But oh my goodness, it looks so good on. I can't wait to style this on Instagram for you guys. So make sure you follow your girl, follow your favorite diva on Instagram so you can see me rock these shoes like no one has before, okay? Promise to bring it. But I love these. Now in the UK, their sizing is different. I got a size 6. The size 6 is equivalent to about an 8 in the US. So, and they fit perfect. Slightly, not big, but like, you know how heels are that are like this, they can flop off, but it's actually just right. It's a booty, so this part helps. But, oh my God, I'm telling you, absolutely beautiful. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to wear these. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna bring it when I wear these. I need to add this to my shoe collection. Now, Adiva has not done her official closet reveal tour, but yeah, I do. I need to, maybe it could go there, but Adiva will be coming soon. A video will be coming soon of the whole tour, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now, that's it for Ego. Again, I told you I got them in yellow. You can subscribe to my Instagram if you want to see them, because I don't remember where I put them. But the next item, here they are. Here they are. I know if I kept looking around that I'd find them, but these are the yellow. I've wore them already. They looked really cute. I love the snake black skin inside. Very cute kitten hair. I love it. Love, love, love it. It looked really cute on. Price will be in the description. Link will be in the description to all the items that I purchased. Now, this Gucci hat. Yes. This Gucci hat I love. It's going to go with other Gucci items that I have. I noticed that I have a lot of red and blue Gucci items. So Adiva needed this hat. I can't wait to rock it. Yes, this is so cute. If I'm just running errands, or just, you know, want to just didn't do my hair or didn't do makeup and I just want to put a hat on and some leggings and a t-shirt, this is the look. Okay, the other items that I purchased were on Amazon, and it's these two scarves. These are so cute. Look, this bonnet, it's like a bonnet slash scarf. So it's satin, of course. So it's good, easy on your hair, but it has long straps so you can really tie it. Well, let me show you. Look at this. This is the back, and this is the front. I'll show you how it works. So if you wrap your hair at night and you want something that's kind of cute and not just, you know, an ugly scarf, then this is for you. So you wrap it, and then like you can just wrap it and then like tie a bow, and then it's like so cute. I'm telling you, these are really nice. So I'll leave the deets in the description.
Ow.
You okay down there?
Yeah.
It also came with this flowered satin scarf too, so it's like a 2-for-1 type of deal. Really good deal.
Yes.
So that's all for today. That's all for Happy Fingers Friday. Hope you enjoyed it. If you made it to the end of this video, you should click subscribe, click a like, leave me a comment so we can talk and chat. Girl talk, Diva Tribe, join the Diva Tribe. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, all that good stuff, so you can track me down and we can be friends. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for spending a piece of your day with me. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Any other video topics that you'd love Adiva to cover, let me know in the comments below. Bye. Spread love.